Why do children drop out from public schools? Children need a supportive environment at home, which is available to the more privileged children. Less privileged children lack this support and ultimately drop out. Schools must encourage analytical skills and a questioning mind. So, even if these children don't drop out, the rote learning stunts their mental growth and higher learning. In 2009, Vasil Trust started adoption of primary government schools in Bahawalnagar. The aim was to develop a program that attracts and retains children to complete primary education and develop their analytical thinking skills. 3 types of interventions were implemented by Vasil: the Umeed Preschool Program, the Umeed Follow-Through Program, and physical upgradation. Research has shown that less privileged children need a head start to cope with school. Unfortunately, public schools do not cater to this, increasing the handicaps of these children and resulting in a learning gap between the more privileged and the less privileged children. For the first time, the Umeed Preschool Enrichment Program has provided this head start. This unique 3-dimensional program develops thinking skills and facilitates accurate monitoring. First and most important dimension covers Urdu, English and Math, the core to basic pre-literacy. 4 levels of learning start print forms at 0, shape recognition at level 1. Level 2 deals with sound recognition and level 3 with word formation. Readers augment these workbooks in this 1-year program. The workbooks are full of activities to make the work interesting. Divided into small units, these are tested by regular assessments. The second dimension deals with concepts. To fully comprehend the information in their books, the children need to be aware of basic concepts around them. The program features 4 concept flip books dealing with our world and its important features. The teacher reads out from one side of the flipbook, then the children view the images on the other side, a very economical audiovisual aid. To measure the learning of these concepts, assessments have also been designed. The third dimension is the objective to use language to introduce children to value education. Showing Jaan cartoon videos not only improves Urdu language skills, but provides awareness for human values and relationships.
Catch पकड़ो जान। ये बहुत अच्छी बॉल फेंकी तुमने जान। अब तुम्हारी बारी। खुशामदीद भाईजान।
Thank you, John.
Nursery rhymes and songs are played to the children to develop speech and musical skills. All 3 aspects of the preschool program are fitted into the daily school timetable. All 3 dimensions of this program include development of thinking skills. From day 1, children are given options to choose from and they learn to make considered decisions. No memorization is required in any assessment and children develop questioning minds. Monitoring is a key to the success of any program. The content of the program has been divided into manageable units, which are completed in a week's time and then assessed the following week by the program coordinator. These assessments are printed and sent from the head office. The answer sheets are sent back to the head office for tabulation and analysis of results, which gauge the performances of the students, the teachers as well as the whole school. Vasil Trust's second intervention. World over, the impact of the Head Start program was not sustained as the benefits wore off in the next classes. A follow-through program brings continuity and diminishes dropouts. 2 interventions have been designed for this. Library and Puzzle Time. A collection of colorful books and puzzles are provided to the schools. The coordinators monitor the activity by making a weekly record of the books read. The books are categorized into 3 reading levels. Level 1 storybooks have attractive pictures and a few sentences in large font size. In In Level 2, the pictures reduce and the number of sentences increases. Level 3 has a few illustrations, but the text increases further. Video lessons. Teaching science and social studies without audio-visual aids is difficult. A lot of videos are available on such topics.
दोस्तों, अब हम देखेंगे कि ग्लोब और नक्शा यानी मैप में क्या फर्क होता है.
These are dubbed into Urdu and shown to the children on laptops and later assessed. This brings the children of remote areas in touch with new knowledge and the teachers benefit as well. Physical upgradation is Vassal Trust's third intervention where equipment, structure and plantation were added. Physical environment plays an important role in attracting children to school. Upgrading the environment increased the impact of this program. Grass and plantation added much needed greenery. The government helped in providing boundary walls and toilet facilities. Vassal was able to get donations for water coolers, furniture, whiteboards, computers and dustbins, etc. With increased enrollment, the classrooms became insufficient and sheds had to be built to keep children out of the burning sun. Results and impact. Weekly assessments checked, tabulated on computers and analysed at the head office brings transparency to the system. With such keen learners, the uninspired school teachers got motivated.
अब हमारे बच्चे जब हम आते हैं हमारे पहले स्कूल आए हुए थे, पहले यही होता था कि टीचर्स भी 10 बजे आ रही हैं और 11 बजे टीचर वापस जा रही हैं. उसमें मैं खुद भी शामिल हूँ. रात से बजे बसों का एक इंतजाम होता था, आ गए और चले गए. तो काफी कुछ बच्चों की तादाद में इजाफा हुआ है, बच्चों की पढ़ाई में इजाफा हुआ है, काफी फर्क पड़ा.
और वालिदैन का क्या रवैया है, वालिदैन की क्या व्यूज है?
वालिदैन का रवैया बहुत अच्छा है. लोग आते हैं, मिलते हैं, उनमें शऊर पैदा हुआ है.
The enrollment increased substantially and the education department posted more teachers. For example, in the 2 schools adopted first, there were initially only 91 students. Today, there are 504. Parents got involved when they saw their children go happily to school. DSD appointed monitors, DTEs, set monthly school ratings. Vassal adopted schools were rated among the top in their clusters. Team and budget requirements. To implement this completely replicable program, 2 coordinators are required to manage 10 schools. They have 2 main tasks. To oversee timely implementation of the set timetable and to conduct regular assessments. Preschool staff's role is of a facilitator. Local teachers are preferred with a minimum skill of middle school. Trained by master trainers, they implement the daily tasks. With limited funds, a teacher aids 40 children. Not an ideal ratio, but the holistic program is a support. Details for budget requirements are available. Some are one-time costs and others are recurring. This suitable amount can change the passive school environment into a more active and vibrant learning space. Vassal inspectors verify the outcomes and record the results online, so the donors can easily monitor the progress both online and by visiting the schools. Vassal's success has opened doors to future goals and aspirations, like competitions among the cluster schools, extracurricular activities like sports competitions, debates and literary events, video links and e-learning opportunities, a caretaker employed to safeguard the equipment. LCD screens with solar power can replace the battery-operated laptops. Vassal Education, striving for meaningful literacy.